First, let's start from scratch by importing to KineMaster the video we want to slow down. Go to the point in time you want the slow motion effect to start, then select your video on the timeline. Select the scissors tool, then split at playhead. Go to the point you want the slow motion to stop, then split at playhead again. Select the part you want to slow down, then speed. Slide to the right, so the number will be lower. The lower it is, the slower the clip will be. Let's check it out. All done. Please subscribe.